Now I'm going to introduce a concept that we call advanced Fibonacci, and this is a high-to-high anchor. There's a couple of requirements that you have to have, and the most significant requirement is you have to have a significant support and resistance level that price within the trend that price breaks above. So what I've done here is I've identified my significant support and resistance level. You can see the white dashed line. And what I do is I place my the lower part of the high to high. I'll take the last sell-off before the break of the support and resistance. I'll say that again. It's the last sell-off. You can see where the anchor A is. It's the last sell-off before price breaks that significant support and resistance. Then I've taken it up to the next high. Okay, and that's you know, a little easier to find. There's no other requirements other than you go from high to high, and you can see that the price came down into the retracement zone. Now, when I'm using advanced fibs, the color symbols that I use are orange, so I know they're high to high. Only in this case, when you're doing advanced high to high or low to low that we'll see in the next screen, is you're only going to use the 50 and the 61.8. We turn the other levels off. And so you see in this high to high, we got a nice retracement. Now, the people that were waiting for swing fibs, it looks like the price never came to that level. Well, it's because it didn't. But if you were familiar with the advanced high to high Fibonacci technique, it's going to potentially provide you more trade opportunities with more levels of interest.